Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in FOYR NEO. I'm here to help you get the most of the software. In today's video, we will be talking about geometric shapes that you can find in our catalog. I will show you a few different ways on how to use them. Let's start. When you open your project, go to Catalog, Building Elements, and from here you can access shapes and geometrics. Have a scroll and see what's in there. Some of the items, as you will see, will have a description as a wall duct. Some of them they'll be ceiling duct and some of them they will be floor duct. That means that if you want to use them, you have to first place them on the surface where they belong to. For example, this hexagon is wall mounted, so we'll place it on a wall. This cube is ceiling duct, so we will place it on a ceiling. If you want to use this on the floor, then you can click on it. You can click on free movement and now you can place it on any other surface. You can use the geometric shapes in many different ways. For example, you can use this hexagonal shape to create an interesting wall storage. You can click on the touch clone to apply different color on each. That can be an interesting feature in an office or in a kid's rooms. The same with triangular shapes or square shapes. You can also create wall designs. For example, let's take this white ceiling duct pyramid . I will use the free movement and we will rotate it. And now we will attach it to the wall. Now I will use the resize tool . And now I will use the clone tool to multiply it. I will group these three items and then I will multiply it further. To group items, you click on one item. When you're using Mac, you press on Command, otherwise Control on your keyboard, and you're adding different products. Now in the top center of your screen, you have an icon Group Products, so you just click on it and now your products are grouped. You can ungroup them at any time and you can also add to the group. Now you can clone the full group. Now, after applying different color or textures, you can create interesting three-dimensional wall design. You can also use the solid semi-cylinder wall duct shape . And create a lovely shelf in kids' room or detail around the bed, for example. We can also take this hemisphere wall duct, resize it, use the free movement, rotate it, and use it as a coffee table. Just change the texture. From this wooden floor, you can create steps or simply use it as a single platform. You can use floor duct cylinder for creating columns, for example. We also have wall niches here, so you can create a niche with chosen shape. You can use them, for example, in bathrooms, just change the texture of them for a tiled one. We also have arch tiles here. You can resize them. And now you can clone them and place them next to each other. You can also change the texture of them. So you're able to fully customize them. As you can see, there's so many items there, and the purpose of them can be changed. For the last example, I will show you how I created a coffee table out of 3 solid spheres, floor duct, and the top is simply an organic shaped mirror, and I just changed the texture to a glass. And that's how the table looks in the interior after rendering. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now you will be able to introduce geometric shapes into your own designs. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of FOYR NEO. Thank you for watching and happy designing!